what's the opening here in the initial part of the pharynx? No. Chuane is this one.
Nasopharynx. Eustachian tube.
Eustachian tube. Ayun o, ayun o.
Makita.
Hindi mo makita. That one, no? That is connected to the ears. So that whenever we sneeze very hard, we tend to feel the air in our ear.
That's why you...
Di ba pag nakabara rin, or akit ang bagyo, dyan din po.
Alam mo, nangyayari sa akin sa elevator.
Ay, ako din, sa elevator.
Sensitive lang
Ako hindi ako makeup.
Have you seen the Eustachian tube? The opening for the Eustachian tube? Identify nyo ba? That one, no?
Pwede i-ano mo. Saan?
Is there anything else that we're going to identify dito sa nasal cavity? Wala na, no?
Saan yung Eustachian tube?
That one.
Saan yung...
Dali nyo yung isa, tingnan natin.
Kasi yun na yung mga
Paano ma-stop?
See?
Sige, go.
Mas lalong wala
Okay
pala.
mo
no?
sa ano, Joy.
that
This
one.
This
Swallow
one.
mo.
Yeah.
Tignan natin.
Opening.
Eustachian tube.
Sorry.
Ito yung bula ulit. And this is the hiatus semilunaris. No?
Bula.
Posterior ethmoid, middle ethmoid. Ito yung anterior ethmoid.
Anterior,
Middle, posterior.
Bula.
Bula is the elevation. Dapat covered yan eh. No? This air spaces here should be covered by a bony structure called your bula. This one, the elevation. No? And the bula is further covered by the middle meatus. Ay, middle turbinate, I mean.
Dok, pwede ko ulit ng anterior middle sa posterior.
Ito, posterior, middle, and anterior. So this one will drain in the infundibulum. The middle will drain dito sa bula mismo. And this posterior will drain into the superior meatus.
Superior meatus. Inferior ethmoidal naman.
While the frontal will drain din dun sa infundibulum din, and maxillary will drain this inferior portion of the hiatus semilunaris. Yan, di nyo na naman masagot sa practical yan, ha?
Dok, yung number.